Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today is Friday, July 2nd, 2021. It is 5:59 and 51 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, diabetes discovery. And don't forget to check out my website. So let's hop to it here. Enlisting the new discovered L-list RNA in the fight against type 2 diabetes. Date June 24, 2021. Source, Tohoku University. Across the world, type 2 diabetes is on the rise. A research group has discovered a new gene that may hold the key to preventing and treating lifestyle-related diseases, such as type 2 diabetes. The selenium protein P, SEP, is an essential plasma protein containing the micronutrient selenium. However, too much SEP spells trouble. Excess SEP increases insulin resistance, thus weakening the effect of insulin and worsening the metabolism of glucose. Excess SEP is the enemy when it comes to type 2 diabetes. Regulating healthy SEP levels is vital for maintaining our health. Researchers discovered gene CCDC152, the gene which has a similar structure to that of SEP, acts as an RNA that lowers the SEP protein. Because of this, CCDC152 was named long non-coding RNA inhibitor of selenoprotein P, translation L-list. Their study also revealed that epigallocatechin galley, EGCG, a plant-based antioxidant commonly found in green tea, can increase L-list. Looking ahead, the researchers believe EGCG supplements can help diabetic patients with high SEP levels. Overall, the research findings have opened up new avenues to explore the prevention and treatment of lifestyle-related diseases. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.